More. Literally so much more. It has like a tint into it. Oh. Me and my minions. My minions is yellow. Shawala ni apatire. Do you not know that? The quality in this car is horrendous. Hi lovelies, welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, I'm all dressed up. I am going out. I have a couple errands to run. Hi lovelies. So I'm at Sephora. Where should I put this? Ooh. Sun is literally like totally blessing. I want one of these. Kind of just want those. $24. Oh, y'all can see. Hold on. I was saying I want one of these. I'm good. How are you?
Good.
I'm trying to find Inky List.
The Inky List?
Yeah.
That's gonna be right over here.
Okay. Oh, okay.
My name's Madison. I'm the licensed esthetician. Did you have any skincare questions at all?
Not today.
Okay.
I just came for that.
The PHA toner?
No, yep.
Right, there
Thank you.
Yeah, and my name's Madison if you have any questions.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Got the goods, got the goods, got the goods. Oh, there's more. There's more. Literally so much more. Brown sugar. I think this is the one I actually have. This is the one I actually like. This brown sugar one. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one instead of this. This is the vanilla, I believe. I don't want that one. Oh, iced coffee. Sounds interesting. Pink sugar. Trying to see if it has like a tint into it. Oh. Oh, that smells so good. This is the iced coffee. It smells really nice. Tint. Oh, okay. I bet you this is clear. It doesn't have a tint to it. All right, let's go, people. We don't have that kind of money today. If you don't have molasses already for Sephora, you need to get you one. Yes, thank you.
Just holler if you need anything.
Okay. This is my favorite. Oh, actually. Trying to sign into my account. I had to delete this app. It was getting out of hand.
And do you have a phone number for rewards with us?
I have the barcode.
Card.
Because I think like if I put my phone number, a different account pops up. I don't know.
Okay.
It's very weird.
Is it for Albert Musa?
Yes.
Okay. And was there anyone helping you with any of your products today?
The esthetician lady was able to help me
yep.
find that. Yeah.
Got it.
Thank you so much.
There you go. Thank
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Can't even argue with y'all. Why is it? Who told you to turn around? Who asked you, sir? Okay. Oh, she said she put some samples in here. Let me see what she put. Calito Shido. Whatever this is. And one of these. I can't pronounce that. It's too much. But anyway, I came and I got the important things. Okay, so let me show you guys. Y'all probably seen it, but anyway, I got this little mini translucent powder. I need to get a bigger one. Like, I need to stop playing. And then I got I got this vitamin C that I use with this Summer Fridays. And this is the most expensive. This was the most expensive one. But between these three, I spent, it was $60. How? $60 for 3 products is crazy, bruh. It's not even 60, it was 67. So just say $70. $100 at this point if you round up the way Africans do. It's $100. But yeah, I had $20 off, so I paid $47. But I'm just like, that's crazy. That is crazy. But we got lip gloss, and this time I got the full one. I had those little mini ones that they were selling at some point for like those holidays, and I loved it. I was like, oh, is this what the girlies are enjoying? And I didn't know. Oh, rude. Where am I going next? Oh, I wanted to go to Old Navy, take a look around, because you know I have kids. And I don't know, I be looking nice in there. But no, the point, I need to go in there, see if they're having some type of a sale, because Old Navy is always having a sale. I need to go check if they're having a sale on the jackets, so I can change up this jacket. This is, because this one is just, it's old now. I had it for like years. Like, it was a good find from Shein also. That's where I got it from. I got it from Shein. So, but it was good while it lasted. But now it's time to go, because it's falling apart. Literally falling apart. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Like, let's go in here. Let me put y'all back over here. I'm yelling at you people. You're just gonna have to shawala. Shawala niwe apatire. Do you not know that? If you're African, you know what I'm saying. You understand. Patience is basically what I'm saying. I need to be patient if I'm yelling at y'all. And if this video is everywhere, I'm gonna learn though. Heaven. No one blew them from school. Madness. Okay, so I got out of that store. I got like a couple of shirts for my son. I got carried away because it all had dinosaur on it. That was the problem. Because he likes dinosaurs. But I got this. This is not dinosaur. This is catch you later. I only got this because it's like light. I like things that are light on him, like white. You know what I mean? Like cream colors and white. And then this has a dinosaur on it. Oh, how cute. And this one has a dinosaur on it. All of these, I'm not gonna lie, they're short sleeves, so he's not gonna wear them right now. But had to be bought. Okay. And then I got a few rings. This is what basically I spent most of my money on, honestly. Because I only got like 2 t-shirts. But anyway, I got this. How cute is that? And then I got this. This is like just like a stackable rings. And then this is my favorite one. It's a heart. It's so cute. And I got this for my sister because I was like, oh, it's too pretty. We could have like a little matching ring. You know how people have those little friendship bracelet? That's gonna be a whatever. I'm gonna get that. I like the way my hand, like my rings are right now. I just got this one recently, right? And then and I love that one. I think I'm gonna keep this here. This is just gonna stay here. but it's super cute. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a heart and an A. Super cute. I just got it. Literally got here this morning. Anyway, so I want to put this one. Are these like tied? This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Why so many rubber bands for a ring that's $7? Crazy. It's super cute. It's so cute. You cannot tell me that it's not cute, baby. That's never coming out of my hand. Okay, so that's it. I don't want to add too much. We're trying to be very minimal, very intentional. But I just keep this like this. I kind of just like this the way it is. Also, I'm pissed about the fact that this is already rose gold, so I'm not even gonna try to do anything else, to be honest with y'all. I'm not even gonna try. I'm starting to run out of energy. This is why I cook early in the day, because then when I'm running out of energy and stuff like that, I don't have to worry about food. Usually I start cooking earlier than whatever time it is right now, but no, I'm just gonna have to go start cooking right now. And I don't want to. By the way, I'm getting on the highway. I'll talk to you guys later. So I'm trying to put meat on the stove, but I'm trying to pray like Quran in the background. I don't even want to do this. I feel like I don't want to cook. All I did was cook spaghetti, and that was it. And I didn't even cook like the stew to go with the spaghetti. I'm just tired. I do not want to be cooking right now. This is the meat. Is it in a Target bag? Yes, because I'm not buying Ziploc bags. When I got all these bags. Okay. Don't give me the baton. Not so severe, a big old age.
It's that's honey. You sleep. Sometimes you sleep when you put 200, you sleep. And that's it. You wake up,
I need to run to the store because the meat is cooking basically, so I'm not really doing anything currently. But I need to go run to the grocery store. I gotta go get like some salad stuff so I can make my mom her food. Another errand to run. Day in the life of Al Musa. Errands upon errands upon errands. The first one. Yeah. I have 30 minutes left. That's still cooking. Finally finished cooking. It's basically 6 at this point. I mean, it's like basically 7. But anyway, we're about to pray now and then eat. So we are going to Taraweh. Let me show you guys the fit. This is the outfit that I'm wearing to Taraweh today. I haven't been there yesterday, I believe. So I'm happy that I'm going today. They did change the location due to some technical difficulties at the masjid. So it's closer to me. Alhamdulillah. It's like this green abaya that's like 2-piece. It's very cute actually. And I like the way it fits, especially now that I'm a little bit heavier. But yeah, it's really nice. It's very loose. It's like not tight, and then I don't know, green looks nice on me. So we're happy about that. And then Fatima is wearing her black abaya. Going to the Taraweh prayer. I'm pretty sure we're probably gonna miss at least 2 of the prayers. Or 4. Come on!
Hey, no, I'm right there.
Oh, the quality in this car is horrendous. Hey, ready?
Inshallah.
Bismillah. Slowly. But anyway, let's go turn up this heater on high.
Mama, isn't that place?
Let's go to Taraweh. Ooh, where's my bike? Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2. So went to the masjid or the new location or whatever, and it was
Mama, turn this way. There's a car.
Oh, sorry. And it was too. What's the word? Walk. Pali. This way. and it was too packed. Not packed, but like there was like some bunch of men. I feel like because we're so far from the original masjid, hello, the females just didn't come. So I was like, I'm not going in there. It was too many men and the prayer had already started. I just felt uncomfortable, so we left. We'll go pray at home. But we're at Myers. We're about to grab some flowers. Some flowers. The options are not very optioning right now. Not here. Let's go over here. Maybe we can get one of these bouquets. I like these yellow ones. Why don't we just get roses? What's that? Should go find something to read. These ones look good, I think. No, these ones. Hold this one.
Those are small ones.
Yeah. And it's cute. And I want to get some baby breath so I can put them in there. I think they'll look so pretty. Baby breath and roses just look really good together. Here, hold this, please. Tuma, you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Tuma,
this one?
hold this one. Yeah. These are so pretty. I saw Aisha Harun put this in her house. These. And they looked so good. Yes. Let's go look around now. But Tuma, pick that up, please. Yes, why not? I'm gonna go make a flower arrangement for my little coffee table or the kitchen. Depends. But it's just me and the girls. And now we're just looking around. We're bored, clearly. After this, we're gonna go get some donuts because I promised them some donuts, yes?
Look at my flowers.
Clearly we're bored. So we're just gonna go look around. Me and my minions. My minions! Come on! The lighting in here is so amazing. I need this kind of light at my house. My house stay dark. Right, look like that.
Look what I just found.
Busy buzz, busy buzz, busy.
More cups back there.
Who is hiding this cup? How rude. I love the way this is black.
There's 2 cups back there.
I'm getting this just because it's black. It's lovely. It's so soft. Yes.
Mom, you like those like that you didn't.
I do. This is so soft and cute.
Mama, look, candy.
Oh, boba. It's a boba.
Hershey's, Mama.
Huh?
Hershey's.
No. I like this Pringle one because he's yellow. I like him because he's yellow. I would just snatch this off and keep him like this. And keep him like this because he's yellow.
Mama, look at his Subway. He got Subway cookie.
Huh?
He got a Subway cookie.
Oh, he do have a Subway cookie. I think he's so cute. I totally want to. I'm going to come back and buy him.
Mama, we're going to eat some bananas.
I'm going to eat what?
Look. Let's eat them.
Oh, he's eating bananas.
And this bunny teeth one is so cute.
Oh, I also need to come get one, the dinosaur for Eunice. He can sleep with it. Hi, let's go to a bio. So you come to these books, you come to the children's books. The bookworm is at the book station. Huh? These are all kids' books. Okay, so that's it for this vlog. We're just gonna go home after this. And my what is this called? My SD card is almost full. It's telling me I have a minute left, so I'm just saying goodbye before it dies. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Much love. Bye.